discovering a new yourself, and that is something that is required for this new year. So let's understand it with a very simple example. On an average, an individual who is happily living the life is comfortable and is utilizing only 16 to 17% of the total capability. That means of an effective 100%, only 16 to 17% is utilized. If I put it in other ways, we have January to December here, and in this wheel of January to December, you can understand that only people are utilizing 2 of the months. That means only of the 12 months, 2 of the months are there where a person is working on their full capability. What about the other 10? So definitely we have to move out of that comfortable happy feeling and get into something uncomfortable. And once we are into that uncomfortable zone, we would try to create a new beginning for ourselves. This new beginning would imbibe that we are not competing with others, but we are competing with ourselves. We are not working as per the requests of others, but we are creating an action plan which is best suitable for our goals and our objectives. And that is which happens only and only once you are out of that comfortable zone. So make it a point that whenever you are working, it's just 16 to 17% of your capabilities that you are putting in, and that is just 2 of the months out of this 12 months that are coming again. So make sure that you move out of that comfortable zone into something uncomfortable and create a new beginning for yourself. This new beginning would be a competition for yourself, with yourself, not with others. It would be an action plan for yourself. It would be a practice schedule and a winning schedule. So wish you a very happy new year 2021.